Hi everyone, my name is Nick and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now for today's video, we're gonna do episode 3 of Instagram Basics. Now we all start off not knowing anything about something that we do for the first time. So in this series, I'm gonna go over the absolute basics of Instagram. Our first episode was how to upload a feed post. Our second episode was how to upload a story. Now for the third one, I'm gonna show you how to go live. Now going live is an amazing tool on Instagram. It gives you opportunity to interact with your customers, your followers, people that are interested in what you're doing. Also gives you the opportunity to showcase new products, services, literally anything you want. And especially with times right now, something trending and a lot of people are doing are to go live with someone else. But we're getting ahead of ourselves. I'm gonna show you how to go live on your channel. So the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is open up Instagram, obviously. So we'll open it up. In the upper left-hand corner is, it's a little button that says Add Story with a little plus in the middle. You're gonna click it. And then at the bottom of it, kind of like with your iPhone camera, how you could swipe through different modes. With Instagram, there's a couple different modes. There's post, story, reels, and then live. And obviously, what we want is live. And basically, all you have to do is click the live button. Now it's gonna check your connection, and it's gonna say you are live. Now, while you're live, there's a couple different things that you could do. At the bottom, you could share it directly with your friends. You could also add people to go live with. And then you could also add a bunch of like little filters and stuff. And then lastly, you could also add a video. You could also share a video with your followers while you're live, which is really cool. Now, after you end your Instagram live video, there's a couple different options. You could share it to IGTV, which is Instagram's form of longer form video. You could download the video or you could just delete it. Now, depending on what you've done, you could also add it to your story. You could also download the video and upload it to your story. And that is it. That is all the basics of going live on Instagram. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, make sure to throw them in the comment section down below. If you like this video and you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Peace.